Okay, let's dive into this case study on how to generate real sales in just 24 hours. So how can a team actually guarantee online sales in a single day? We're going to deconstruct the playbook.
Their mission is brutally simple. Forget long-term goals. The focus is 100% on making money today.
And they're not aiming for huge volume. The goal is just to get at least one paid conversion. That's it. This quote really says it all. It's their core philosophy. Stop learning and start closing. Here's the engine behind it all, a super focused 4-step funnel that's designed for pure speed. And check out where their energy goes. A massive 70% is spent on publishing and direct messaging. This is their powerful promise. It's in every post, every message. It's all about speed and results. Their content plan is smart. They tailor the message for each platform to make sure it hits just right. Their email sequence is brilliant. It's timed perfectly to build momentum toward that final bigger sale. Now, to move this fast, they run on a strict set of internal rules, what they call SLAs. These rules are absolutely crucial. They eliminate delays and force clear ownership of every single task. Their day is built around 3 critical, time-bound checkpoints. No excuses, just execution. Success isn't a feeling for them. It's measured against these very clear, non-negotiable targets. And look, stuff is going to go wrong, but they're ready for it. They've got a simple plan for the big problems. So the big takeaway here? It's all about that absolute, ruthless focus on making money today. So that leaves us with a question for you. What one principle from this playbook could you use tomorrow?